Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will tell you how you can stay online forever or for the time you want to show yourself online on different platforms. So how you can do that? Today we will be using PyAuto GUI package for this. Now the thing is how I can make you show online. Either I press a button on keyboard or I play around with my mouse. So we will do both things. We will play around with the mouse. We will move our mouse up and down so our system does not get locked or does not get idle, and we will play with the key also in case something happens, then a key is being pressed continuously, right? For that, first we need to install PyAuto GUI. For that, you can type cmd, open your command prompt and install pip install PyAuto GUI. Okay, once this is installed, my dependency packages are already installed, so it took lesser time for me. In your case, it might take more time. All right, now you can see successfully installed PyAuto GUI. Right, now coming back to our code, so we'll create a file called always online.py. Right, first of all, what we need to do, we need to import PyAuto GUI. With that, we need to play with time also, so we'll import time as well. Right, before starting anything, let's wait for 2 seconds by using time.sleep and provide 2 seconds for that, so that before starting our program, let's wait for 2 seconds. Right, then first we will move our mouse from this location to this location and then coming back again to this position. Right, for that what we need to do, we need to call PyAuto GUI, then move to. What move to is doing, it will move your cursor from wherever it is to the location that you will provide here. So we have to provide the coordinates. So for now I'm providing 700 for X and 200 for Y. So it would fall somewhere around here at this location. Right, now how much time should it take to come back to this position from its original position? Let's suppose after running the file I will be somewhere around here, so it will come back to this location in 1 second. Right, now I want to go below with our mouse, so what I'll do, I'll change the Y coordinate only. Now if I keep it as 450, then I will go back to the original position. Right, so for now let's see, I'm not putting it in a loop so that it runs forever. I will do that later. Now run this code. You will see it took 1 second to come to the position 700, then it went down and then it came back to the original position. Right, now what if this process goes forever? Right, so it will keep on moving up and down and your system will not be idle in that case. So this is the case where mouse is being played. Right, to make your system fail safe, what you need to do, you need to press the key also. Right, now we will press the key. So what is the harmless key, which if in case if any window is open and it get pressed, nothing happens, is the shift key. So we will press the shift key. So for that what we can do, we'll call PyAuto GUI and then key down key. What key down is doing, it is pressing the key. Which key? We need to tell the shift key. Right, and for how long it won't, so we will put a sleep of 1 second. For 1 second it is pressing the shift key and then we need to release this also. So what we need to do, PyAuto GUI dot key up. So key down is pressing the key up is releasing that key, right? Which key? Shift key. So now what you can do, you can keep this inside a loop. Which loop? While loop we can take. So if I do while true, it will run forever. But make sure to add a time gap at least of 5 seconds, so that if you want to exit this code whenever you want, you would be able to close it easily. Otherwise it would be a difficult task, right? So I'll run this and just chill. This code is going to run forever. Well, this is not recommended though, because it will eat up your computer resources. So for that there is one more thing, that if you want to do it for some time, that you want to give yourself a relax and want to go away from your system for, let's suppose, 1 hour, you can set your timing accordingly. I'll show you how you can do that. Right now you can see this cursor is moving up, moving down, then waiting for 5 seconds, pressing shift key as well. Right, this is how the system will keep on running. But I don't want to do this forever, so let's break this chain. Right, for that, come back to this position at this point and then press Ctrl C, so that your system is, this script is stopped. Now if I want to run it for few minutes, few seconds, you can calculate accordingly. For that, what you can do, you can have a counter initialize at 0 and then give it a condition. If counter is less than 5, 10, 100, whatever is you want. So for now I am keeping it as 5. Okay, and then I need to increment this counter also. So counter plus equals to 1. So after each iteration our counter will increase. Once this condition satisfies, when the value of counter is less than 5, gets equal to 5 also, it will break. Right, now we'll see how it is being done. We'll run this code and I have left my cursor, it is moving by its own. So first iteration done. Now again it will go down and will come up. It is going down and up. This iteration will keep on moving for the value wherein counter reaches as 5. So keep in mind, if the while loop is in true state, if you do it as while 1 or while 2, this code will keep on running, though it is not recommended, but still for some time you can use that, no issues. Right, if you have any doubt, do let me know in comment section. Thank you very much.